Okay, so hi again. So in this video we will learn how to find the critical numbers or the critical points for different functions, not just the polynomial function. In addition to that, we will learn how to find the local points, if it's local maximum or local minimum. Okay, so starting with the first question. So in here we are in question 2 and 3. We will solve the questions from question 7 until question 22. Yes. Okay, so starting with the first question with question 7. Okay, so in here, as we have learned before, this is a polynomial function. So for finding the critical numbers, directly I will go and find the domain. Since we are talking about polynomial function, that means the domain is all real numbers. Okay, then moving to the next step, which is finding f prime. So the derivative of x to the power 4 is 4x cubed. Then the derivative of minus 3x cubed is minus 9x to the power 2. And the derivative of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so now making the derivative equal to 0, and let's say if I want to solve this using the calculator, then directly I will go to over here, then I will choose menu. Okay, then equation as well. Okay, then polynomial. Since the highest degree is a 3, that means I will choose number 3. So in here, this is 4, this is minus 9, and then we have 0 for x and 0 for the constant as well. Okay, so I have 9 over 4, 0, and that's it. 9 over 4 and 0. Okay, so directly let's go ahead. So 4x cubed minus 9x squared equal to 0. That will give me x equal to 9 over 4 and x equal to 0. Okay, that's easy. Now we will check if they are included or not. 9 over 4 is included and 0 is included because they are included in the domain of the original function. Then after that I will say the critical numbers are what? In here 9 over 4 and 0. Now if they asked you about finding the point, for example they asked you to find the critical point, you can directly substitute 9 over 4 in the original function and find the y value, and the 0 in the original function and find the y value as well. Okay, what about the local points? How to find them? We will use the first derivative test to find the local minimum points and the local maximum points. So directly I'll start by graphing the number line. Okay, and in here I'll put the values that I found them, which is the critical numbers I'm talking about over here. So write them in the correct order. So in here 0, and in here this is 9 over 4. Then I will substitute values less than 0 in the derivative, and between 0 and 9 over 4 in the derivative as well, and values greater than 9 over 4 in the derivative, and just for testing the values or testing the result if it's positive or negative. So let's go directly also using the calculator. Again, I'm substituting in the derivative. So I'll go over here and I will write the function. So back to the original mode. Okay, so in here I will write the function. So this is 4 alpha x, okay, cubed. Okay, so this is cubed minus 9, no, minus 9 downward, okay, minus 9 x x again square. Okay, so this is my derivative. So now I'll choose calc. Okay, and I will choose a value less than 0, for example. So let's say I will choose -1. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so this is -13. Now I don't care about the value actually. I'm just looking for if it's positive or negative. So in here this is negative value. Okay, so let's go back and see a value between 0 and 9/4. Okay, so 9/4 and 0, let's substitute 1. Okay, so again calc, I will choose 1 this time because it's between 0 and 9/4. Okay, so that gives me -5. Again, if we choose this one, okay, so it's -5. So again, this is minus. So let's choose another value greater than 9/4. Let's choose 5, for example. Calc, but 5. Okay, so this is positive. So now I have positive value. Okay, so in here it goes downward, then downward again, then it's going upward. So in here, as you can see, we have since the derivative, okay, is going downward then upward, that means we have a minimum value over here, and the 0, it's neither minimum nor maximum. So in here I will say 9/4 is a local minimum. If you would like to find the point, you can find 9/4 and f of 9/4. So you will substitute the 9/4 in the original function. And that's it. That's it. So next we will solve another question that is not a polynomial function, and we'll find the also we'll find the local minimum and maximum points. That's it.